Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Marissa, the Filipino wife in America. Today, I am here because I am going to give you some tips on how not to be scammed with a Filipino woman. I am motivated to make this video after my husband and I saw one of the videos of Gio in the Philippines. In one of his videos, he interviewed one American who was like scammed by a Filipino woman. I was embarrassed by that. So that's why I am here to give you some tips on how to avoid that situation. Because I know most Americans would like to have a partner in life who is a Filipina. But you should just be careful. Do not grab the situation right away and be too much involved with it or with her, because sometimes out of too much involvement you are blinded. You tend to give money right away, send money right away, and you are too busy minding your emotions, not noticing if the other party feels the same with you, like the real love. When I saw that interview with an American who was scammed, I really felt embarrassed. And I am here to give you some tips on how to avoid that. Number one, don't be so overwhelmed by your emotions that you fail to notice if the woman has the same emotion with you. In other words, don't be so overwhelmed that you are in love with that woman, because the woman might not be in love with you, but she is just in love with your money, thinking that you have a lot of money. So what happens next? Since you are in love, you send money right away. Number two, don't be so overwhelmed by the physical outlook, by the physical appearance. Filipino women are petite, tan, slim. Those are the visible physical characteristics of a Filipino woman. Know the woman really better. Start with talking like this with a camera. That's number three. Start with talking oftentimes, like every day, in a camera. If not every day, as at least every week or thrice a week, whatever is comfortable with both of you. In my experience, my husband and I talked like every day. Nighttime here, daytime in the Philippines, yes. Even if I was in school before, he would really spend time like an hour to talk before he went to bed. That was the kind of communication we had. So we were talking like for 14 years, almost every day. So that's number three. Talk oftentimes to know the person better. Because in talking constantly, you would be able to see inconsistencies. In that way, you would know if she is really honest with you or she is just playing with you. And be observant. Yes, that's number four. Be observant. Make room for suspicion. Make room for doubts. Even if you are in love, do not be so overwhelmed by your love. Always make a boundary so that you can think, you can explore your mind, if not your heart. Because sometimes our heart is blind, really, but our mind is open. So I want you to do that. Number five, look around who are the people behind or around that woman. Look around who are with her. Observe. Talk with a camera. In that way, you can see who are the people in the house. Is she living with the parents? That's what you should observe. Number six, ask questions. Ask questions about the family. It's not bad to ask questions because that's how you know each other better. What does she do during the day? Something like that. It's not really that you are controlling her, but you just want to know, like, just curious. Next one, do not send money right away. Like I said, always reserve a room for suspicion. Do not let the girl think that you are too generous. So in that way, you would really know her better and she would also think that you are not that kind of person. It's for your protection and for her as well. So you will really know each other better. It takes two to tango, remember? If you don't allow yourself to be scammed, nobody will scam you. So if you open yourself to a scammer, if you open yourself to be scammed, so that's what happens. So both of you can be blamed too. Next one, talk for like a year or two. Do not be in a hurry. Give more time to talk longer. So in that way, you would really have more time to know each other better. The last one, visit her. Meet her personally. Know her personally first. Visit her in the Philippines first. Before you make all your decisions to move to the Philippines or whatever, meet her personally and know her in person. Don't sell your property and everything here. In that way, you could prove if you are really meant for each other. You can stay until a month. That's your opportunity to know the Filipino woman better. I'm making this video to be clear to everyone that Filipino women are basically good women. We are not scammers. We just want to live better and happier. Thank you so much for watching. If some of you watching right now are with Filipino women, please feel free to share your love story on the comment section below. Thank you and see you on my next video.